So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add cryptocurrency to your watch list here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have Yahoo Finance open up on your device, what I want you to do is to first off go to the bottom left, press on the home tab right here, and then on the home screen, as you can tell in front of you, you have the list or the watch list, screen. So for me right now, I only have one stock in my watch list. That of course is from a previous video, that being Amazon. Now, if you wanted to add a cryptocurrency to your watch list, it's a pretty similar process. So what you can either do is go to the top search bar right here and type in the ticker symbol that you're looking for. So for example, if I wanted to add cryptocurrency Bitcoin to my list, I'll just type in BTC right there, and under symbols, Bitcoin does appear. But another way you can do that is actually just go ahead and exit out of this, press on done, go to the bottom, press on the Discover tab right here, then go towards this ETF here at the top. And you can view a whole bunch of different ETF, or sorry, not ETF, crypto, my apologies. Then you can view a whole bunch of different cryptocurrencies right here. So as I mentioned before, if I wanted to go to Bitcoin, I'll press on Bitcoin right here, just like that. Now, when you're on the Bitcoin screen, or if you're on any cryptocurrency screen for that matter, to add this cryptocurrency to your watch list is pretty straightforward. Go to the top right to where there's those three icons. There's the star icon, the bell icon, and the share icon. Press on the star icon and press on the star until the star goes yellow, and at the bottom it says you followed BTC USD. So that of course is Bitcoin. And if I were to go back to the home screen here, so press on the home screen in the bottom left, under my watch list now, I now have two symbols. I have Amazon that I previously had before, and my newly added Bitcoin, which is a cryptocurrency. So fairly straightforward, but that is how to add cryptocurrency to your watch list here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.